Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nappy Gabby. Go Nappy, go Nappy, go Nappy, go Nappy, go Nappy, go Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you're a newest subscribee, welcome to my channel. My name is Nappy Gabby, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. So to my older subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. I really love and appreciate you. So guys, in today's video is all about this cute box braid. Yes, I know it's cute. You cannot tell me nothing, period. Okay, so it's all about this cute box braid. This box braid right here took me 6 hours of excruciating arm work. Guys, I know it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy. So guys, yes, I did do this box braid myself, and it took me a total of 6 hours and 2 packs of the expression hair. So if you're interested to see how I achieved this style, then don't you go nowhere. Definitely keep on watching. Okay, before you start watching, come here, let me tell you something. Just come closer. Subscribe. Okay, just subscribe. What's the point? I mean, you're already here, so you might as well just subscribe. Okay, and I really appreciate it. Whew. Okay, now that that's out of the way, you go ahead and enjoy the video. So I'll be doing the rubber band method. So I got these are my rubber bands. I have some here and edge control. I'll be using the ORS, and for the hair I'll be using the expression hair, and I have 2 packs of this. So I'm just going to put some oil into my rubber band just to avoid it sticking on my hair. Start oil. So I'm going to start by making a straight. And I just put the rest of my hair in a bun. So I stretch my hair using the threading method. guys get the whole idea now. So I'm just going to like do the rest of my hair off camera, and I'll be right back.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And till I get up, Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
so guys, after hours of sitting, I'm finally done. So now I'm just going to accessorize I'll see you guys later.